some Hennessy. This is exclusive. This is VSOP Privilege. We're gonna get fucked up.
Privileged.
We got the last one on the shelf because we were privileged to get there on time before somebody else did.
Probably disgusting.
I think all alcohol is disgusting. Yeah, I can't get this with my nails.
Yeah, like it's about digital. There you go.
So we are celebrating because we are engaged.
Engaged.
As of what, like, I don't know, a few hours ago, a couple hours ago.
What time is it? Yeah, like 4 hours ago.
Here we go.
No, it was around 7. Yeah. What? I don't think I'm drinking that much. Breathe.
You don't gotta take the whole thing. All right, here we go. I hope you got a chaser ready because I do.
Whew.
I know, it's all over my fingers. I can smell it.
It was horrible.
All right, ready? Cheers.
Wait, let me.
Your chaser's over there.
Yeah.
He wants to drink it out the whole bottle. I need a cup.
All right.
Cheers to us.
Cheers.
It tastes like alcohol.
Tastes like shit.
It burns a little bit. I can feel it in my stomach. Well, it wasn't too bad. It burns a little bit down my throat and in my stomach, but it wasn't bad. It tastes like alcohol.
Yeah, tastes like Henny, but a little bit spicy.
A little spice.
Yeah, it's like they added more burning to it.
I mean, I don't know. I like it. I think I'll take some more.
Some more.
It's that Hennessy VSOP Privilege.
Privilege.
We're in a cabin right now.
Yeah, we're not in some random stone basement. So, not too much.
Sorry.
You going buck wild? What's going on?
Party. My bad. It's not that much.
Yeah, what? I think I got more than you. That's. Wait, where's the ring at? Same ring. Man, worry about that. Was acting crazy. It's nice.
I love
Hold
it.
on. That's really